our topic is, as you see on the board, the town mouse and the country mouse. So mouse means what here? The rats. Okay. So what is the difference between the town and the town mouse and the country mouse? Let us see today. Okay. So as you see here, country and the town here. Okay. Here there will be no traffic. Okay. Country is nothing but it's a village. Okay. And here the peace and calmness will be there. And here no pollution at all. Whereas coming to this, there will be traffic and it will be very noisy, noise pollution, and obviously there will be no peace at all in town. Yes. Now let us enter into the story and know something about the country mouse and the town mouse. How they treated each other. Let us see, children. Here, the town mouse lived at the back of the kitchen cupboard in a rich man's house in a town. Whereas the country mouse lived in a country. Country mouse obviously it lived in the country, whereas town mouse it lived in the kitchen cupboard, okay, in a very rich man's house. There were two cousins. So this town mouse and the country mouse, they both were good cousins, okay. They often wrote letters to each other. They every time write letters to each other because they are very good friends and they have good conversation among them. One day the town mouse wrote a letter to his cousin saying that he was ill and wanted to stay with the country mouse in his country as he had been advised by the doctor to spend a week in the countryside. So here this town mouse it got some sickness. So doctor advised for the town mouse to go to the country mouse, to go to the village and stay there for a few days because in villages usually it will be very calm, peaceful and the climatic conditions will be different, okay. So the doctor have suggested for the town mouse to go to the country. Then this town mouse have written a letter to its friend, that is country mouse, that I am going to come to your place as very soon, okay. So that time the country mouse really felt very happy because its friend is going to come to its house. Yeah. So one day the town mouse wrote a letter to his cousin saying that he was ill and wanted to stay with the country mouse in the country. So the country mouse got the letter from the town mouse and he invited the town mouse to his countryside. So obviously country mouse have invited town mouse, okay, to its place. So he packed his bags and caught the next train to the country. So immediately the town mouse packed everything and it caught the train to the countryside. He fell hot in train as the day was bright and sunny. So the town mouse it felt very hot in the train, very uncomfortable. There was no AC at all. Okay, and he wished he was in the air conditioner coach. So the town mouse was wishing that if it is AC train and all, it will be quite good. But this in this train there is no AC, so a little bit disappointed it felt. The country mouse received the town mouse at the station of the countryside. Finally, it have reached to the country. The town mouse asked the country mouse for some orange juice or lemonade, saying that he was thirsty. So as it reached to that place, town mouse have asked some lemon juice or orange juice, okay, because it is feeling really thirsty. Okay, it have asked to the country mouse. But the country mouse offered him coconut water. But what it have offered the country mouse? It have offered some coconut water. The dinner at the country mouse served the town mouse at his house consisted of root and sugar cane. So after going to home, the country mouse home, what happened? What was the dinner here was, it served some root and sugar cane. What it have served? Root and sugar cane. The town mouse nibbled at the root and the sugar cane as he did not enjoy his dinner. So the town mouse really did not enjoy it much, okay, taking that root and the sugar cane. It doesn't like, okay. So it did not enjoy the dinner tonight. Later, he had to sleep on the hard, cold ground. Later, where it have to sleep? On the cold ground, hard and cold ground. There is no beds and all, no arrangements of such things in the villages. It won't be. Okay. The mouse felt it strange and did not like it. So the town mouse didn't like sleeping on the floor without bed. Okay. He went back to his town. So finally, by seeing all this, it felt really uncomfortable and it couldn't stay there peacefully and happily. So again, it returned back to its place. Who have returned back? The town mouse have returned back to its place. That is to city it have returned. Then later on what happened? Next time, the country mouse visited the house of the town mouse. So after few days, the country mouse, whatever it is there, now first town mouse have visited country mouse. Now country mouse want to visit town mouse. Okay. So the country mouse have written a letter to the town mouse that I am going to come to your place. Okay. That time really the town mouse felt really very happy. Wow, my friend is going to come to city. Okay. So the country mouse wanted some water and a little bit of food. So here what happened? He did not enjoy the traffic there. So when the country mouse was on the way and when it reached to the city and all, it did not like the traffic and all. Okay, it's really horrible, sound pollution and all. Okay, air pollution. So all this, he felt surprised watching lights in the streets even in the midnight. So night time to sleep. Usually in villages and all lights will be off. Okay, but in cities, okay, in the midnight also lights will be on. So these all the country mouse doesn't like all this. Okay, so the country mouse wanted some water and little bit of food. So it have asked to its friend, I want little water and little bit food. The town mouse offered him ice cold lemonade and orange juice to drink. So what the town mouse have offered to the country mouse? Some orange juice and lemonade drink. The town mouse offered him bread and jam. After that some bread and jam was offered. Different kinds of fruits, slabs of chocolate and a huge piece of lovely cheese. All these the town mouse have arranged to eat to the country mouse. The country mouse had to eat and drink. The country mouse had to eat and drink what the town mouse had offered. Meanwhile, they had to run and hide themselves as somebody entered the room and opened the cupboard. So there was suddenly somebody came there, okay, to open the cupboard. And both were so much scared and they both ran and they have hide somewhere, okay, they have hidden, okay. So the country mouse was tired of doing this. So whenever they want to go and eat something, somebody is coming and opening the cupboard. So running and coming. So really the town mouse, the country mouse felt really fed up. Okay. So this was not liked by the country mouse. The country mouse was tired of doing this and did not like to be there. So it doesn't like to stay there. So he took leave of his cousin and went back to his house in the country. So it have taken leave. Okay, my dear friend, I don't want to stay here. Okay, I am going back to my place. Since then, they did not visit each other again. Again, they did not visit each other any time. So that was the story, children. Okay. So what do you think about this? Okay. Yes, whether you like country or whether you like town. So which one do you like the most? Okay. Thank you, children. I hope you have understood once you go through the lesson and try to read the whole lesson. Okay. Yes. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.